Ooh. Where the light better at? Right here? Right here? How you doing? How you doing? Yeah. Saying hi.
Oh, hi.
That's even if y'all can hear me or these cars passing me. But we at Lock City, boy. What's good, my youths? Welcome back to the channel, OJT Barrage. OJT Barrage, you feel me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We at Lock City. And I'm here. I got Pat with me.
Here.
I got my baby girl with me.
Hello.
And a hell of a lot of E36s is taking over, boy. But about to get some clips in. Still waiting for Uncle Mike to pull up, you dig? And yeah, we're gonna go from there. Catch you.
I'm recording right now.
Oh, walk on, youths.
We already started. We out here, OJT Barrage, Lock City. Getting it going. Got another special guest out here, Pat out here.
What's going on?
We all out here. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Definitely comment, let us know what we can do better. Change up, you know, we starting, but we gonna make it happen.
If I'm yelling, it's because it's loud here, and that's just the way I talk. So, but yo, we having a lot of fun out here. We about to do some ride-alongs. Jamal's doing a ride-along with Pat. Hopefully he records it. I hope he does. I don't know. We'll see what we got. If you see it, then yeah, it's done. But pretty much, I'm gonna do a ride-along with Xavier. You guys don't know him. I'm gonna try to introduce you to Xavier before we go out there. He's got the Z. I think he's the guy who I bought the G35 from. So I'm gonna introduce you guys to him. Got my helmet here. You got the helmet? You got the helmet?
Yeah, I got my helmet. Even though I'm driving, but yeah, I got my helmet.
But all right, stay tuned. Yeah, we're gonna be doing some more stuff here soon, and we got a lot of drifting coming along. And we're just out here today. Just out here. All right. All right, guys. Hey, I'm here with Mason Medeiros. I met him at the track today for the first time, but we've been talking back and forth about doing stuff on each other, like car-wise. And I'm finally glad to meet him. You guys should definitely check out his channel. I'll let you talk about channel, what you guys do.
Yeah, so my name is Mason Medeiros, guys. I'm honored to be here with OJT Barrage. I'd like to be on it, Pat. But yeah, my channel, I just do some pretty sick builds with my friends. I got some awesome people around me. I got cool people that follow me, like these guys right here. I'm building an S13 coupe right now. I was driving a hatch, but now I'm swapping everything over to a coupe. But on my channel, you'll see some awesome drifting stuff and some serious build process. But I'm honored to be here with OJT Barrage, and yeah.
Yo, check out his channel. If you guys are definitely into like S13s and 240s, which is pretty much the same thing I just said twice, but check it out. Like the one thing I was impressed by is when you guys when you cut off one of the front ends and put it on another car and welded it back. I was like, that's something I don't think I would attempt it.
Yeah, I'm crazy,
I was like, but that's the kind of stuff I like, you know, people doing stuff for themselves, you know. And
I mean, that's the thing, man, is, you know, I didn't want to have to go buy another shell just to cut off the front. So, I don't know, I just like to make what I have, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to take what I have and put on what I want to make, you know what I'm saying? So, we're here to budget build, and we're here to make some sick builds, you know what I'm saying? And everybody understands that one.
Yeah, that's the name of the game, budget building, because we're not rich.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we gotta save that money and try to build, you know. So, yeah, I had to cut off the front end of my hatch and start welding,
But you know what? That's a good idea though, because 240s, they cost so much nowadays. That's why I wanted a 240, but then like there was one that I almost bought. It was the same price as a G35, but it wasn't together either. It wasn't even running. It was nothing.
Right.
So I was like, well, this G35 is pretty much in the same you know spot. But yeah, condition. But the condition was better. You know, so I had to go with the G35.
Yeah.
But definitely check them out, guys.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
All right. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Doing a ride along. I'm here with Zay. This is the guy who I bought the G35 from. Hopefully, you guys can hear me.
How's it going?
But man, he's got a nice setup in here. He's got his hydro going. Yo, nice Z. We in line here. We got ways to go. So I hit you guys back up when we start. Last go round.
Sent my baby girl off back to do a little ride along. See if she can get used to the drift life.
We are heading out. It's getting late. People still drifting a little bit. They're getting the last drifts in. But it was fun. Got to do a first ride along. Couldn't get the boys one, but when I get my car up and running, we'll get them in one. But it was fun. Got to actually spend time here. Just like last time, we had to hurry up and go. So we'll go up this hill, get some footage on the way out. But I'm getting tired anyway. Ready to go home. Now going up the hill. Over the bridge, if you've ever been here, Thompson. And I was saying that we're on our way out now. So don't forget, if you like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna get back to working on those drift cars. Javon's gotta work on his 36. So I'm going with the bridge. Don't trip and fall. And I'm working my G35. Got some ideas now. Spoke to Xavier. And I think I'm still gonna go with the dual caliber setup. But I got some ideas for the suspension and some budget ways of doing things. So, but on the way out, we're gonna catch some stuff on the way out. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas and packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my boys to say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my boys to say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking now and we don't pay that no mind. Didn't need to watch and know that I'll be here in no time. Put a candle on it, had to tell them